Hey, ready to dive into the fun world of soap making today? I'm going to show you how to make your very own organic soap at home using the cold process method. It's easier than you think, and you'll end up with soap that's not only good for your skin, but also free of all those nasty chemicals. So let's get started. First up, let's talk safety. Whenever you handle sodium hydroxide, also known as lye, you got to be careful. Always wear gloves and goggles to protect yourself. Safety first, folks. Okay, now let's gather our ingredients. You'll need sodium hydroxide, distilled water, and a selection of oils like olive, coconut, and shea butter. These oils will be the base of your soap. And don't forget your additives and natural fragrances. Think essential oils like lavender or peppermint, and maybe some dried herbs or oatmeal for texture. Start by carefully mixing your sodium hydroxide with distilled water. Remember, always add the lye to the water, never the other way around. It's going to heat up, so let it cool down while we prep the oils. In a separate pot, melt your oils together until they're all liquidy and combined. Once both your lye solution and oils are around the same temperature, it's time to mix them together. Slowly pour the lye mixture into the oils while stirring continuously. I like to use an immersion blender for this part. You'll know it's ready when you reach trace, which is when the mixture thickens up like pudding. Now comes the fun part, adding your fragrances and any other goodies. Stir in your essential oils, herbs, or even a bit of natural colorant. Get creative with it. Once everything's mixed, pour your soap batter into a mold. You can use silicone molds or even a simple wooden box lined with parchment paper. Smooth out the top and give it a little tap to get rid of any air bubbles. Cover your mold with a towel and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. After that, it's time to unmold and cut your soap into bars. But hold your horses. Your soap needs to cure for about 4 to 6 weeks to make sure it's safe and gentle on your skin. And there you have it, your own batch of organic homemade soap. Perfect for gifting or just treating yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY goodies. Catch you next time.